Jeanette here. Today's duck moving day, and as you can tell, it's stirring up quite a ruckus. Old guy's back here behind me trying to catch the ducks, and I hope you can hear me. We're putting him in a pen, and I'll show you what's going on. Thanks for coming. How heavy can we get before it's too heavy? I was kind of thinking we'd have it out on the bobcat.
You can't reach it now,
Do you think we're about to get too heavy?
No, let's just pull more.
Okay. Well, as you can see, it's pretty chaotic. We can only get one on there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take like 25 at a time over there.
Take 4 trips anyway.
Okay.
Okay, this is trip number 3. We're trying to count them as we go.
Two. 20.
Okay.
28.
77.
Yeah.
So far we got 77,
77.
and there's that puddle over there left.
Let's get the rest of these in the other cage. 10.
12 and 77. Be 89. We lost 11.
Well, okay, but I thought we got 2 extras with the ruins, but
Must
maybe
not have
the ruins weren't extra.
It looks like we got exactly 100 chicks.
Ducklings.
Ducklings. Baby ducks.
Ducky kids. Quacky. And they're pretty darn sweet kids. You kind of get to be my buddy a little bit. Probably.
Hey, go have fun. Dad, the door.
He was stuck. Okay. Well, I thought that was going to take us half a day, but really we only got it done in half an hour, so it went really easily. We got the ducks stuffed into the pen, and then when we opened the gate, they just rushed out, like water rushing out, and so that probably the getting them out of the pen was a lot easier than we expected, and putting them in was pretty easy too, so even catching them wasn't that hard.
You gotta find some flat blocks and how to put their waterers on so the waters won't fill up with sawdust immediately.
We decided to use tall concrete blocks to raise the water up above the sawdust level. And
We're gonna put one water on each side of the door so it'll be easier to get the containers filled with water without the ducks getting out.
We have an extra hanging feeder in the barn. I'm gonna go get that. That keeps it up off the ground, keeps crud out of it. I've got this hanging feeder like we use for our chickens. Anytime I'm using wire, I always make sure to wear safety glasses because it's really easy to let an end slip and stab you in the eye. For now, we're going to store the extra feed in a trash can. We chose a metal one because it's hard for mice to chew through. We do have a metal lid somewhere. We'll run across it and put it on here. For now, we just got a plastic one that we had laying around. I eventually want to get an old deep freeze to put our feed in. That works really good because you can put a few 100 pounds worth of feed in there and dry and safe from mice. We didn't get a chance to show you the finished duck house here, the finishing touches that we put on it. We put a window in and we put a door in, and both of those we covered on the inside with greenhouse plastic. To put that up, we put wiggle wire track. It's an aluminum C-channel, and then we put these wiggle wires in to hold it in, so it goes up really easy. It'll come down really easy when we want to take it off when it gets warmer. Our friend who visited last week helped us build this door, did a real nice job of it. It's really sturdy. And then we put the wire on and the plastic on the inside. This wire actually ended up being plastic wire, plastic mesh. So we added galvanized metal wire to the bottom half of the door as protection from animals so that raccoons and stuff can't just rip through the side. Over here you can see the wire that we put up. This is plastic coated metal wire, 1/2 by 1 inch. Nothing's getting through that. So here's our finished duck house. It's 12 by 24. I think it's nice and solid. It should be a nice warm place for them to stay and should keep them safe from predators. I'm pretty happy with it and proud of it. Within a month or so, we want to add a yard, a run, on the outside so that the ducks can come out. Right now we want to keep them locked inside because they're smaller, they're more vulnerable to predators, and I think they still need to be a little bit warmer and protected than free range.
So that gets the ducks moved and wraps up this week's update. We're going to continue doing a weekly update for a while, at least until they start laying eggs, which is going to be a while, but maybe it won't last that long, but we'll see how long we do it, and we'll continue sharing with you what the ducks are doing. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. The ducks are so skittish. I don't know if they'll ever change, but they just, anytime I move out here, they move as a mass in a different direction. It makes me wonder whether they'll ever be controllable or how they will act as they get older as a group. At this point, they're brand new in here and everything feels new, and they are feeling uncertain, I think, but we'll see what happens next week. Thanks for coming along this week and watching as we get them moved, and we'll see you next time.